So yesterday we wrote our comparison paragraph about the seasons we chose, and today we're going to write our contrast paragraph about how the seasons we chose are different. This one I feel like is a little easier. It was easier for me to figure out ways that summer and fall are different. So I wrote on my Venn diagram, in the summer it is hot, and in the fall it is cooler. And then I also said in the summer I can jump in a pool, and in the fall I can jump in a pile of leaves. And notice that they are, the first one is talking about the temperature, and then the second is talking about things I can jump into. So I can jump into things in both seasons. All right, so let's go back. First thing we want to do is indent. So 2 finger spaces if you're handwriting it. Tab button, that's the one that has the arrows if you're typing it. We want to start by restating the question, but we don't have a question. So restating why we're writing. So summer and fall are different because, it's a great word, because summer is hot and fall is, wrong way, cooler. Summer and fall are different because summer is hot, and I'm going to put a comma here because it's a compound sentence, because I could just say summer is hot, fall is cooler. Those are complete sentences. But because I have this little joining word here, and I need to put a comma because I have 2 complete sentences. I know, that's 3rd grade material, but some of you are using commas already, and I love it. So we're going to talk about ways we use them. All right, now, go back. What's my next part about? Summer, I can jump in a pool, and in the fall, I can jump in a pile of leaves. All right, so let's write about that. And just like we did yesterday, we had a transition, a way to let our reader know we were moving on to our next idea. I'm going to do that here. Another way summer and fall are different is in the summer, I can jump in a pool. I'm going to use a comma again. I'm going to use the word but because this is going to show a difference. That, hey, I can't jump in a pool in the fall. But in the fall, it is too cold to jump in a pool. Yeah, so now I'm telling you, hey, here's a difference. It's too cold to jump in the pool in the fall. Now I want to write my sentence and say, in the fall, I can jump in a pile of leaves instead. All right, so let's look back at that paragraph. Summer and fall are different because summer is hot and fall is cooler. Another way summer and fall are different is in the summer, I can jump in a pool. But in the fall, it is too cold to jump in a pool. In the fall, I can jump in a pile of leaves instead. All right, so there's my example. I'm telling you what's different in this paragraph. I'm using my Venn diagram, and I'm writing those ideas in complete sentences, trying to explain my thinking to my reader, so my reader really understands that these 2 seasons are not only the same, but they're different. I want you to do the same thing. Use your Venn diagram. Give me a couple sentences about how the 2 seasons you chose are different.